Students, in this class we will discuss some more objective problems in ellipse. In last class we already discussed the major table in ellipse. Write the next problem. If the length of the major axis of an ellipse is 3 times the length of its minor axis, then its eccentricity is first of all read the problem. If the length of major axis of an ellipse, what is the length of major axis? Length of major axis is 2a. Length of minor axis is equal to 2b in standard form. What is given? Length of major axis is 3 times the length of minor axis. Given 2a is equal to 3 into 2b. Length of major axis is 3 times the length of minor axis. From this condition, find eccentricity of the ellipse. Here 2 get cancelled. A is equal to 3b. What is the formula to find eccentricity E? The root of a square minus b square by a square. Put a is equal to 3b. What we get? 3b whole square, 9b square minus b square by a square, that is 9b square. 9b square minus b square, 8b square by 9b square, b square cancel. So we get root 8 by 9. Root 8 is taken as 2 root 2. Root 9 is 3. So eccentricity of the ellipse is 2 root 2 by 3. Next. In an ellipse, the major and minor axes are in the ratio are in the ratio 5:3, then eccentricity E is equal to, find eccentricity. See the solution. What is given? In an ellipse, major axis and minor axis are in the ratio 5:3. That means a ratio of major axis 2a and ratio and minor axis. This is the ratio of major axis and minor axis. Length of major axis is 2a, length of minor axis is 2b. Its ratio 2a is to 2b is equal to 5 is to 3. That is given. This is taken as 2a by 2b is equal to 5 by 3. 2 cancel. From this a is equal to 5 by 3 into b. By using this condition, find eccentricity. What is the formula to find eccentricity? We already discussed. Root of a square minus b square by a square. Or write it as divide a square separately, a square by a square 1 minus b square by a square, or b by a whole square, b by a whole square. This is equal to root of 1 minus, here what is a by b? 5 by 3. Then what is b by a? 3 by 5. See this, a by b is 5 by 3. Taking reciprocal, b by a becomes 3 by 5 whole square. Directly you substitute b by a value. Find this value. 1 minus 9 by 25. 25 minus 9, 16 by 25. This is equal to 4 by 5. You always observe that eccentricity value is always less than 1 for an ellipse. 4 by 5, that is less than 1. Here also eccentricity 2 root 2 by 3, this is less than 1. In an ellipse, eccentricity is always less than 1. Next, one focus of an ellipse is 1, 0 with center 0, 0. If length of major axis is 6, then eccentricity E is equal to what is given here? Ellipse with center 0, 0. If the ellipse is with center 0, 0, then equation of the ellipse is in standard form. Equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. You may take either a greater than b or a less than b. Suppose we take a greater than b. If a greater than b, then what is length of major axis? Length of major axis is 2a. If a greater than b, that is 6. Length of major axis is 6. From this a value is 3. Next, one focus of the ellipse is 1, 0. If a greater than b, what is focus? AE, 0. That is 1, 0. On comparing x coordinates, AE is equal to 1. AE is equal to 1. From this find b value. If b value is obtained, then we get equation of the ellipse. Now squaring this on both sides, a square e square is equal to 1. A square into, what is e square? E is square root of a square minus b square by a square. Then what is e square? A square minus b square by a square is equal to 1. Here a square cancel. So we get a square minus b square is equal to 1. But what is a value? 3. 3 square 9. 1. From this b square is equal to 8. Therefore, equation of ellipse is x square by a square. A is 3, a square 9 plus y square by b square 8 is equal to 1. Next, the eccentricity of the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Find eccentricity of the ellipse. First, we check whether a greater than b or a less than b. What is a square here? A square is equal to 4. So a square is equal to 16. So a is equal to 4 and b square is equal to 9. Compare with standard form, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. A square is equal to 16, b square is equal to 9. Then b value 3. Here a is greater than b. If a is greater than b, then what is the formula to find eccentricity? Root a square minus b square by a square. The root of a square 16 minus 9 by a square, that is 16. 16 minus 9, 7. Root 16, 4. So root 7 by 4. Next, in the same model, the eccentricity of, find the eccentricity of x square by 9 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. Here also compare the given equation with standard form, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Then what is a square? 9. If a square is 9, a is 3. Next, b square 16, then b is equal to 4. See, either a greater than b or a less than b. Clearly a is less than b. A is less than b. If a is less than b, what is the formula to find eccentricity? Root of b square minus a square by b square. So in this way, to find eccentricity of an ellipse, first of all we check whether a greater than b or a less than b. B square 16, a square 9 by b square 16. 16 minus 9, 7. Root 16, 4. Next, the center of the ellipse x plus y minus 2 whole square by 9 plus x minus y whole square by 16 is equal to 1 is center of that ellipse is. See here, center of, what is the center of the ellipse in standard form? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Center is 0 comma 0. Now here the ellipse is not in standard form. Okay. Center of the ellipse here is x comma y is equal to 0 comma 0. Here it is in the form of some equation in terms of x and y. Let it be x square by 9 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. This is in this form. What is the center of this ellipse? 0 comma 0. X comma y is equal to 0 comma 0. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. But what is x here? That is capital X. X plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. What is capital Y? X minus y is equal to 0. Now on solving these two equations we get small x and small y. How to solve these two equations? Just add x plus x, 2x, y get cancelled. Minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 2. X is equal to 1. You put x is equal to 1 in any one of these two equations. From second equation, 1 minus y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 1. Therefore, center of the given ellipse is x comma y is equal to 1 comma 1. In this way, even if the ellipse is not in standard form, we can find center of that ellipse. Write the next problem. The ratio of the lengths of major and minor axis of the ellipse (9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144). See here, first we reduce the given ellipse into standard form. What is the given ellipse? 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144. Write it as 9x square plus 16y square by 144 is equal to 1. Divide separately. X square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Now it is in standard form. What is A value? A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3. Compare with x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Here a is greater than b. It is in standard form and a is greater than b. If a is greater than b, what is the length of major axis? Length of major axis is equal to 2a. What is 2a? 2 into 4, 8. Next, length of minor axis is equal to 2b, that is equal to 6. If a is greater than b, length of major axis is 2a, length of minor axis is 2b. If a is less than b, what happens? Length of major axis is 2b, length of minor axis is 2a. Okay, what is the ratio of their lengths? The ratio of major axis and minor axis, 2a is to 2b. What is 2a? 8 is to 2b, 6, or write it as 4 is to 3. Cancel with 2. Next, the sum of the distances of any point on the ellipse 3x square plus 4y square is equal to 24 from its foci is. Okay, first we reduce this ellipse equation into standard form. What is the given equation here? 3x square plus 4y square is equal to 24. Now write it as 3x square plus 4y square by 24 is equal to 1. It is x square by 8 plus y square by 6 is equal to 1. It is in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. What is a square here? 8. B square is 6. So a is equal to root 8 and b is equal to root 6. Find the sum of the distances of any point on the ellipse from its foci. Write one formula. Let p x comma y be any point on the ellipse with foci s and s dash, then sp plus s dash p is equal to 2a when a greater than b. Here what are foci s and s dash? To an ellipse there are two foci. See this diagram. This is x axis, this is y axis, this is origin. there are two foci S, S dash. You take any point P on the ellipse. The distance of this point from first foci and second foci, that is SP and S dash P. Sum of these two distances is equal to 2A when A is greater than B. Here clearly A is greater than B. The value of A is greater than the value of B. So SP plus S dash P is equal to 2A. If A is less than B, then this formula becomes 2B. Here clearly A is greater than B. What is A value here? Root 8. Root 8 is taken as 2 root 2. 2 into 2, 4. So 4 root 2. Next, we discuss different forms of an ellipse. This right first problem. Equation of an ellipse. Equation of an ellipse. With foci plus or minus 5, 0 and length of major axis length of major axis 26 is. First read the problem, what is given in that problem. Equation of an ellipse, find equation of an ellipse with foci plus or minus 5, 0. Observe, in foci y coordinate is 0. If y coordinate is 0, foci lies on x axis. There are two foci, 5, 0 and S dash, let it be S dash. So these two foci lies on x axis. What is the formula for foci? Plus or minus AE, 0. If A greater than B. If foci lies on x axis, major axis becomes x axis. So here A is greater than B. What is foci given here? Plus or minus 5, 0. So AE is equal to 5. AE is equal to 5. Next, what is given? Length of major axis is given. If A is greater than B, this x axis becomes major axis. Then what is the length of this major axis? 2A is equal to 26. From this A value, A is 13. Now substitute A value here. AE is equal to 5. Then E is equal to 5 by A, or this is 5 by 13. What is the formula for eccentricity E? Root of A square minus B square by A square is equal to 5 by 13. From this find B value. First you substitute A value. A is equal to 13. 13 square 169 minus B square by root A square 169 is equal to 5 by 13. Root 169, 13 and this 13 cancel. Now squaring on both sides. So what we get, 169 minus b square is equal to 25. From this, b square is equal to 144. B square is 144. Therefore, what is the equation of the ellipse? Substitute a value and b value. Therefore, equation of an ellipse is x square by a square. A square is 13 square 169 plus y square by b square 144 is equal to 1. In this way we can find equation of the ellipse.